Hey, today we're going to go over the assignment that we had that was due on Friday, March 31st. If you were absent or at Camp Goddard, you weren't here for this, so you need to be able to find the mean, median, range, and mode of a set of numbers. First of all, if you look here at number 1, we've got set of numbers. They put them in order. When they wanted to find the mean, they added them up and got 100. 100 divided by 5 was 20 for the average there. Median, number in the middle, 20. Mode, 23, because there are 2 of them. And the range, biggest number minus the smallest number, 23 minus 15 is 8 for the range. Okay, so we're going to do one problem together. We're going to do the one with all the hundreds over here. All right, so number 7. First thing we're going to do is we are going to put that in order from least to greatest. See, my smallest number is 96. And then I have a 98. And let's see, 103. That's an 8. 103. I have 2 104s. 104, 104. I have a 107. And a 109. And there is my set of numbers. I always like to count them to make sure that I have all my numbers. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on the top, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 below. So I do have all my numbers. All right, so next up, you are going to, I'm going to save actually the mean for the last thing to do. I'm going to start with the easiest ones first. First of all, let's find the median. So going from the outside in, we are going to cross out numbers, outside, outside, left, right, until we get to the middle. So for this one, our median number is 104. Our mode, we're going to do mode next. Do we have any doubles? Yeah, 104. We've got 2 of them, so that is the mode. For range, we've got the biggest number minus the smallest number. When you do this assignment, I want you to actually write on here the subtraction problem. So I have 109 minus 96, and that is going to equal 13. So that's my range. And the last step, we are going to find the mean or the average. That's what they're the same thing. So to find the mean, we're going to add up all our numbers, and then we're going to divide by 7 because there are 7 numbers in our set. So I wrote the numbers along the side here. See, I'm going to start right here with the 9. 9 plus 4 is 13, plus 6 is 19. 19 plus 3 is 22. 26 plus 7 is 33, plus 8 is 41, carry the 4. Okay, we're starting at the bottom here. 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 and 4 is 22. 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 1 more is 4, 5, 6, 7. So I added it up, and my sum is 721. So over here by mean, I'm going to write 721. What we're going to do to get the average or the mean is divide by 7. Okay, and a lot of people were kind of tricked by this when they went to do the division. We're going to scroll down for a minute. If we have 721 divided by 7, let's work this out. All right, 7 goes into 7 one time. 1 times 7 is 7. 0, bring down the 2. Well, 7 cannot go into 2, so I have to put a 0 on the top before I bring down the next number. 21 now. So 7 times 3 is 21, and we just found the mean. 103. So when you're doing this and you find the mean is a number that should fit into your set because it's actually an average of all the numbers. So if I did this and I had an answer of 13 for the mean, 13 is way too small to be the average of these numbers. Okay? So you are going to do the rest of these on your own. If you're at home, you can use a calculator. If you're in class, you're going to do it by hand. And on the back page, notice each of these questions, you are only finding one thing. So number 1, you're finding the mean. I want you to write it on the side. Number 2, median. 3, mode. And 4 is range. Okay? Let me know if you need any help. That's it for now.